We're over here, come on, well if you run, we are about to head into the Vaopola cave. This goes under the water, past Hakupu. That is the cave there. There are ladders, but it's a little bit... Oh, these ladders, stairs here for ages. Here we are. Oh damn, I should have caught that. Here's come on, come down. Yeah, there is onga actually. Come on. That's what you said, but it's probably better, yeah, because you can catch, no, come down that way. So you can catch your weight. You're not on a rush, yeah. There's onga in that hole there if you wanna. Yeah.
Very careful.
I should have grabbed it earlier. Eden, they can change to thing.
I'm fine.
Shut lines?
But the elephant is unga. Is it unga?
But right now, at least I died before the monster eats me.
Mama, there's the unga.
Unga bites my toes. Or before I break the ladder.
Try to have your weight on your hands, yeah. You see the unga there? Get out of the way, Tess. You're around this sort of class setup here. There's unga in there.
Can you take some photos? Can you take a photo of it for my class?
Oh shit, yeah.
So then I can show it to
There's one inside the hole right here.
Dad. Dad.
Alright guys, so here we are. Everyone, it's alright, you can talk. It's just showing what everyone this looks like.
Excuse me. Can you take some photos so then I can show them to my
What about a video?
Yeah.
I'm really videoing it. So just mind yourself because it is a little bit in your head. Obviously if you look up top, these are sharp. And this goes under the road. Yeah, which is crazy. But yeah, enjoy it. Make sure, hey, wherever your torch light is, that's where you're standing. So don't do the old point that way and then you'll stand your feet somewhere else. Okay, come on.
Like this?
Come on. Come on, guys. If you
No, the monster's on the wall.
oh, lady Lord.
Dad found a huge unga.
Holy! Are you taking it?
There's a whole bucket of it.
Yeah, we'll take it. That's a red one. So
Look at the butt too. Got a big booty.
Rushing now.
catch for us tonight. Here. What the? Who wants to hold it?
No, thank you.
I know. Oi. This is what we shouldn't be doing, eh? I'm not asking you two to hold it. Lawrence, you gonna hold it?
It's free for when I catch my own.
Eh? Okay, I'm getting you the next one then. I'm giving you the next one.
Wow, that's a fat head, man.
Stripped off.
Yeah. Yeah, look guys, look over here. This is what happens. The water drops down. Come over here.
Natural filter.
Look over here.
Look at this.
I reckon that falls there. And these rocks will feed off the water and then they'll end up being like this.
Whoa, that looks so beautiful.
So these used to be, and now they've closed the gap.
It's kind of like candle wax, eh?
Yeah.
So what are they? Stalactite and stalagmite. Which one is which?
How humongous.
But anyways, like, look at this is unreal. This is all natural. And I think we are potentially under the road right now. But watch out, this is really slippery, but it's also nice to feel. It's got a weird texture.
It looks sweet, but it's actually
Baby.
porous.
Go down. Yeah.
Gosh, what is so
Root.
I'm just saying, like, this is all natural. Like, nobody caved or made a drill for this. This is just natural. Yeah. It's quite slippery over here, Banana. Look at these water. Look at Nana, fresh water. Yeah, look. You can touch the water.
Wow. If I feel a fish in that.
Just there's no fish, but it's super clear.
Oh yeah.
You wash your face with it.
Wait, you can? Can we go some?
Huh? This is only accessible to Hakupu people as well. Like normally, Missa or somebody, Jack maybe might bring people here.
Can I rinse this?
Yeah. But you're going to ruin the clarity of the water.
I'd rather clean my own naturally. Yeah.
There's some fresh water here, guys. You guys can have a tutu. There's some more up over there.
I just gave this Ua a natural bath.
But like I said, this is unreal, and you can imagine Papaliu's house underneath potentially could be looking like this.
I feel like Indiana Jones. Not even Anna, Jones. It's like the legends of the water. The water. I'll say I didn't even try the legends of the sorry, Dad. The water.
Alright. Watch your head, watch your head.
Yeah.
No, is it?
Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah,
Oh, probably.
Yeah, it is bleeding. Excuse me, Dad.
Yeah.
Is it true that an old Unga can chop off your finger?
No.
Your friend at church was telling me. So, here, come. Yeah.
It's a crew there. Go through, go through.
Go. Sorry.
One at a time, that's alright. Good girl.
Feel the rocks, feel that on there.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this one.
Oh, it feels weird. The texture. Oh my gosh, Dad, you could literally make a documentary about this.
You could, couldn't you?
Niue cave.
Is that lighting good there?
Yeah, with that light on.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. So this is a full-size It's dripping on my hair for no reason. She's having a shower, Tiana.
Really funny as if you're going to have another opportunity to do that. Yeah, stay under the water here. Look at that. Fresh water.
Oh, we are on the road. Dad, is this water fresher than Fiji water?
Is that clear for you guys?
Just like this.
That's
Yeah.
Are we under the road? Pinches your hair.
Alright, come on.
Wait, you hold my hand.
Sometimes it's better not to hold hands in case you split.
Look, banana.
Break your fall.
Look at this one.
Skinny enough to put in it.
Look at this rock here.
What the? No, all this water's needing me to go pee.
That's unreal, eh? Look at that, Connie.
That's so cool.
This is amazing.
This is real life. I mean, if you go to Niue. Wait, Dad, is this real life?
Huh?
Is this in real
Yeah. This is real life.
Oh, Dad, I'm not going down that.
Come here. I know. You can squeeze it. I'm just making it adventurous.
Look, it's the water. I actually feel like I'm peeing.
Who's over in that corner?
Telson. Tiana, don't step in
Oi.
there. You just stomped my head.
Stay on the track. You guys are going your own way.
Tiana tried stepping in that hole on purpose. Oh, Dad, you're bleeding.
Far out.
Telson? Oh, hi, Telson. I hear something. It's something like Mama.
How cool is this, girls?
It's amazing. It's amazing. I mean, if you go to Niue, guys. Fake life, but it's real. Fake life?
Yeah, watch out, Cons.
A minute, don't get me here. Wait, don't look at me here. No, I don't need help. I need help. Dad, if we get stuck in here, that's your fault.
Just worried about you because you have a history with holes.
Look, over there. No, what's that over there? Go up closer to see it. Shh. Go.
Can I go from 1 to 7?
Look at this. There's another onga here, guys. It's a baby one.
So I can't grab a plant to 7?
No, we don't take small ones, Connie.
Oh, wow.
There you go. It's a good photo there if you want to grab it.
Oh, yo, this is a cool photo. There's a little baby over here.
Like a tiny one.
The holes always look like that. Oh, look at that. Look at
You
that.
got a light.
Like
Oh, shit.
statue.
I was using my camera.
Light. Can you put your
And
light
then stuff with the
No, you stay there.
spider.
Yeah.
Look, there's a spider by you.
Oh, stop it.
Wow. That is so cool.
Oh, it should be, but never tried it.
I should filter through it. The story about Omas and water. One day, this little kid, Guys, come on. Guys, hurry up. We got the way out.
Anyways, that's how big it is. Such an epic.
Whoa, I'm over this light. Dad,
Yeah?
how tall I am.
No, you're touching it.
Huh?
You're touching it. What is it, Eden?
Another baby on.
Oh, cool.
But bigger than the last.
Honey.
Oh, it's gone.
Another one there. Another one there.
Can I see?
Nana, there's a baby one here.
Oh, Nana, come by Daddy. There's a little one.
Right on the rock, I'm pointing my light at it. It's pretty soft around here, so just be careful.
Anyways, looks like it's untouched, so we're going to leave it as it is, but plenty kalukus. It's a kaluku plant. You eat the fern over there. Lots and lots of kaluku here, so good signs for the bush.
Oh my gosh, these have to be real cute.
Just stay there, stay there. I'm going to try and find the way back. Go back over there.
Yeah, you
What?
lost us.
I lost us.
Just wait because
Oh my god.